Unlocking everyday secrets. You've been using these wrong. From gas pumps to pen caps, your everyday life is full of genius features you've been using wrong. Let's dive into the first one and start changing the way you see the world, one everyday object at a time. The gas tank guessing game solved. Ever pulled into a gas station and panicked about which side the gas tank is on? Your car has been silently telling you the answer all along. Next to the fuel pump icon on your dashboard, there's a tiny arrow. This arrow points to the side of your car where the fuel door is located. It's a simple, genius feature that saves you from awkward gas station moments. Most people have never noticed it, but once you do, it changes everything. No more guessing or awkward shuffling at the pump. Check your fuel gauge next time and see if that little arrow is there. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Your kitchen's hidden helper, the panhandle secret. Most panhandles have a hole at the end, often used for hanging, but did you know it doubles as a spoon rest? Slide your utensil handle into the hole while cooking. It keeps your counters clean and your spoon within reach. This clever design feature is a game changer for a tidy kitchen. Next time you cook, try it out and enjoy the convenience. It's a small detail that makes cooking more efficient. More than ink, the life-saving pen cap hole. The tiny hole in a pen cap isn't for ink, it's a safety feature. It prevents suffocation if swallowed, showcasing thoughtful design. The perfect Tic Tac dispenser you never knew. Struggling to get just one Tic Tac? The box has a secret feature. The lid has a groove designed to dispense one mint at a time. Close the box, turn it upside down, and shake gently. Open the lid to find one perfectly dispensed Tic Tac. It's a simple, satisfying solution to a common problem. Impress your friends with this trick and enjoy your mint. It's a sweet secret now revealed. 35,000 feet up, the tiny hole keeping you safe. Ever noticed a tiny hole in airplane windows? It's a bleed hole, crucial for safety and comfort. It regulates air pressure between window panes. This prevents the middle pane from cracking at high altitudes. It also reduces fogging, ensuring clear views. A small feature with a big impact on your flight. Next time you fly, appreciate this hidden genius. Unseen genius. What else are we missing? Everyday life is full of hidden features waiting to be discovered. Tap subscribe to uncover more secrets hidden in plain sight.